Yes, so now come to question number 36, exercise 1, phase 6, indefinite integration, mathematics. So here they are mixed two concepts, polynomial is given and some condition is given to calculate the polynomial. So where fx is a polynomial of second degree. So fx we can take as fx is equal to second degree polynomial. So let us consider as ax square plus bx plus c. One condition is given f0 is equal to -3. So first put to x is equal to 0. So f0 is -3 is equal to c. Next it is given f1. So f1 may put x equal to 1. So f1 is also -3. -3 is equal to a plus b plus c. So c will cancel -3. So this means a plus b is equal to 0. Next is a 3f2 is equal to -3. So put here 2. So f2, x equal to 2 will put here. So x is equal to 2. If I put 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to into 3 times of this. 3f2 c at 3f2. So 3 times of f2 is equal to -3. So this 3 will cancel. So 2a plus 2b plus c is equal to -1. 3 will cancel. So this is 1 is left. Now 2a plus b is how much? 0. So 2a plus c is equal to -1. C is -3. So this gives that 2a minus 3 is equal to -1. So 2 is equal to 2. This is equal to 1 and b is equal to -1. And c is how much? C is -3. These are the values. So from here, this information is given just to calculate the polynomial. So what will be my polynomial? Ax square. A is how much? 1. So x square. B is -1. So minus x minus 3. This is the polynomial. Now, evaluate this. So I have to calculate the integration of fx. Fx is how much? X square minus x minus 3 upon x cube minus 1 dx. So now this question is converted into polynomial form. That means we have to use the partial fractions. Directly we will use partial fractions because the degree of this denominator is more than degree of numerator. So the proper fraction. So I can write this as x square minus x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1. So x square minus x minus 3 upon x minus 1 into x square plus x plus 1 is equal to a upon x minus 1 linear factor. Remember, whenever quadratic factor is there, the remainder must be 1 degree less than the highest degree of the denominator. So here I have two. So in linear factor, I will have linear equations. In numerator, I will have linear equations bx plus c, 1 degree less upon x square plus x plus 1 because I cannot factorize it further. So when you take LCM will cancel. X square minus x 3 is equal to x square plus x plus 1 plus bx plus c into x minus 1. So to calculate ABC, same process. Put x equal to 0, put x equal to 1, compare the coefficients, we will get. So first definitely I love to put x equal to 0. So minus 3 is equal to this 0, 0, a. This will be 0, c is left 0 minus c. Equation 1. Then we can put x equal to 1. If I put x equal to 1, 1 minus 1, minus 3 again is equal to 1, 1, 1, 3a. This will be 0. So this will cancel. So a is equal to minus 1. So c is equal to a plus 3 is equal to 2. A is minus 1. This will come this side. C is equal to a plus 3. So c is equal to 2. Now only thing left is b. Compare the coefficient of x square. So if I compare the coefficient of x square, third point, I will compare the coefficient of x square. 1 left hand side is equal to ax square, so a, and bx square plus b. Now a is how much? Minus 1. So b will be how much? 2. So now this integral will change into this form. So next now I have to integrate it. So this integral will be equal to A. A is how much? Minus 1. So minus 1 upon x minus 1 dx plus bx. 2, b is 2, x plus c. C is also 2 upon x square plus x plus 1. This we have to integrate. Linear upon quadratic. Simple method I will explain where you can always solve them. So minus is outside, minus log of x minus 1. Now this. What is the method here? Linear upon quadratic. So numerator is equal to lambda times derivative of denominator plus mu. So numerator is a 2, you can take outside also if you want. Otherwise you can take inside also. So 2x plus 2. 2x plus 1 by observation also you can do 2x plus 1. By observation also we can solve, or by this method, any method you can select here. Okay, this method will also work. So by observation I will write same thing I am doing. So I will write this as 2x plus 1. So plus this will be 2x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 plus integration of 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 into dx. So these are the models which you have already done. This is dt upon t. So minus log of x minus 1 plus log of x square plus x plus 1. Now this integral, this our quadratic form is there. So standard method will come plus integral 1 upon, this is how much now? X square plus 2 into 1 upon 2x plus square of this number 1 upon 4 plus 1 minus 1 upon 4. I am adding this 1 upon 4, subtracting. So this is how much? X plus half whole square plus 3 by 4. X plus half whole square plus 3 by 4. So this is a x plus half whole square plus under root 3 by 2 whole square dx. So what is the integration of dx upon x square plus a square? 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. So this is log of x square plus x plus 1 upon x minus 1 plus, now a is this quantity under root 3 by 2. So 1 upon a. So 2 upon under root 3 tan inverse x. X plus 1 upon 2 upon under root 3 upon 2. So 2 will cancel. So final answer you can write log of x square plus x plus 1 upon x minus 1 plus 2 upon under root 3 tan inverse 2x plus 1 upon under root 3 plus c. So this is the final answer. Thank you.